Well, we've been darting around throughout the day, not only feeling those chilly winds, but seeing the damage that those powerful gusts brought. Take a look at this tree. It came down overnight, this massive cedar just toppling to the ground. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer. We were able to see it snapped just right here at the trunk. Take a look at this splintering. The staff here at the Valcour Inn and Boathouse say they're disappointed to see the tree come down. It's been on the property for decades. It was just one of the sites hit by those powerful winds.
If you have any glass tables, cover them up good or put them out of the wind. Get them inside.
Outside, a mess, all because of a powerful windstorm. In Morrisonville, Star Carroll spent her morning sweeping up pieces of her patio table. She heard the wind. Her daughter heard shattering glass.
She sent me a picture of it and I went, oh my God, I can't believe this is happening. So, I mean, we've never had anything. We don't even have any trees around to hit it. It just shattered.
Along with shattered glass, splintered trees. In Peru,
I was surprised though to see it tipped over.
this cedar survived the ice storm of '98, but it came down overnight.
Could hear the wind last night at my house. It was pretty heavy at times, but didn't think an old tree like this would fall over.
All over, people cleaning up the mess left behind by the strong winds. These crews tell us the wind broke a wire in Plattsburgh. Despite the mess, people say they'll move on.
We plan on replanting trees actually throughout the property.
I love the table. It's just a heck of an excuse to buy a new one. Or, like I said, put a fire pit in it somehow. I don't know if somebody can do that.
The weather this fall proving it does what it wants.
Yeah, this tree coming down overnight, we're told it's about 80 years old, 40 feet high. But again, just one of the things that was brought down by these powerful winds overnight. The staff here say that they're going to try to replant as best they can. But overall, we saw a lot of people trying to keep their spirits up throughout the day today. Reporting live in Peru, Leanne Danier, NBC5 News.